Hello guys, welcome back once again. Today I'm bringing you to another app called Breet. This is a crypto platform that lets you swap and sell your cryptocurrencies. All right, and you can sell off your cryptocurrency directly to your local currency account, either Naira or any of the local currency accounts or currency that you want to be swapping this your tokens to, and you can withdraw it directly to your bank account. Instead of going to exchanges to buy and sell USDT, you can as well buy them directly from Breet here on this app. So I'll be showing you how to register here in the app and get started immediately. So let's get started. Create an account right here with the link I'll be dropping right at the video description. Go ahead and copy it and then create your account. But if you already had an account before, don't worry about creating. Just click on already had an account and then input your email and password and continue. But if you don't have an account, use the link I'll be dropping at the video description, and when you do, you'll be getting bonuses in any transaction that you are making. So first of all, you click right here on this get started. Meanwhile, the app is currently supported in this means that they have 2 offices here in this country. You can access their offices directly in these 2 countries right here. Okay, and the app is also available on Play Store and Apple Store. Okay, so you click on Nigeria. Since I'm Nigerian, you click on Nigeria, and then I'll fill in all of these details right here. Your username, create a unique username for yourself, put in your email, put in your phone number, and then put in your password. And afterwards, you come down here and insert the referral code, my referral code right here. Why I'm inserting the referral code is for you to get bonuses in every transaction that you're making. All right, and then after filling in that information, this button is going to be highlighted for you to continue. All right, so go to your email and go and copy that 4-digit code that we sent to your email and come down here and paste it right here. Okay, so you just minimize and go to your email, copy the 4-digit code. All right, it has been sent. All right, this is the code 0427. So minimize again, come right here and tap 0427 right here. 0427. All right, it is verifying the OTP, and then congratulations, you have just successfully created the account. Just click on my dashboard. Go ahead and click on my dashboard right here. All right, so congratulations, this is the app. All right, so kindly ensure that while you're doing this, your network is very stable. Okay, here in this app, you can get cash back on any of your crypto transactions. So if you are doing your first crypto transaction, you're gonna be having a cashback for life right here in the app. So what you have to do, you can select from available coins that they have right here. These are all the available coins that they have. You can swap any of these coins you see here to, you can sell off any of these coins to your Naira and cash out immediately. So you can send from any wallet or any exchange any of this token you see right here in this app and withdraw immediately. Here you can buy and sell. All right, you can see the button to buy. You can see here is where you can sell off. All right, here you can swap off any coin to you can swap up in any coin from, let's say, BNB to Litecoin, and then from Litecoin you can also swap to another available coin. So when you tap on it, you come here, you can swap from BTC, or if you don't want to swap BTC, you can select other available coins that you can swap to. All right, So this is Theta. You can swap the Theta in BSC network. You can also swap Theta. Theta means USDT. All right. You can also swap Theta to Solana. You can also swap Theta to Matic right here in the app. And then as soon as you click right there, you select, after selecting the coin that you want to swap, you just you have to select the one you want to swap to. If you want to swap from BTC to Ethereum, you have to swap changes. You have to change this. If it was on Solana, then you have to click right here and change it to Ethereum. All right. Afterwards, you are gonna be seeing this button is gonna be highlighted for you to swap. Okay. And then after swapping, now here you can as well pay bills directly here from this app. Okay. And then if you want to buy any coin, click right here, click on the buy section, click on that buy section like I said, and then you can buy any coin with your you can buy any coin. Enter the amount of coin that you want to buy right here. Let's say I want to buy 5, or let's say 1,000 Naira worth of coin. Then you can type right there, and then the minimum you can buy actually from this app is 7,000. You can buy 7,000, and then you receive in USDT. Then as soon as you type 7,000 right there, if your money is insufficient, it's going to show up right here. And then the minimum amount of this 7,000 here is 4.97 USDT. And as soon as you have enough money, this button is going to be highlighted down here. You can scroll down, and then you see that continue button is going to be highlighted for you to buy. All right. I'm going to be dropping more step-by-step guide on how to just buy it on live, how I buy and sell live from this wonderful app right here. So you can do your best to try this app out. They have low spread, just like Monica. They also support low spread. And meanwhile, before you can even start using this app, ensure that you comply with these KYC steps. You click on this KYC and confirm. You create a transaction pin. After creating a transaction pin, which is a 4-digit pin, you have to add a bank account that you can be using to buy and sell directly here in the app. And also you can you have to ensure you complete this information right here. And for you to start the process, you have to click on let's go. As soon as you click on let's go, it's going to take you through the steps on how to start. The first thing you have to do is to select a transaction pin for yourself, and then complete these other 3 tasks that you have to do. It's very important that you do it before you can have full access to this platform right here. All right. So you can earn reward every day by just performing transactions here in the app. That's the beauty of this app. You can earn rewards consistently every day by just transacting here in the app. All right. So here's the shortest way to access your wallet is to click right here, and you can view your transactions right here, and then you can view your profile right here. So to view your wallet, you click on that wallet, and then you can generate an account statement for yourself right here. Okay, so this is just a basic guide on how to use this app to register and use this Breet app. So if this video was helpful, kindly like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you'll always be notified on time. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section, and see you in the next video.